Oh, hi everyone. This is Far King Gorn. It is the 13th of February, and tonight I'm heading off back to Cambodia. Now it's Linda's birthday tomorrow, and it is going to be a big surprise because as far as she knows and the family knows, that I'm coming home on the 7th of March. So yeah, this episode of Far King Gorn is going to be huge. So I'm going to ring Linda in a minute and just wish her a happy birthday for tomorrow, and tell her I'm very excited, and quickly get changed. I've had a shower, everything's all ready to go, I'm all packed, ready to go. So yeah, I'll hang up from Linda and off we'll go. I'm catching the train to the city, and then sky bus to the airport, and the plane leaves at 12:35 a.m. Arrives in Singapore at 5:35 a.m. because there's a 2-hour time difference there, and 2.5 hour stopover, and yeah, and then on to Phnom Penh, and should arrive in Phnom Penh about 8:35 tomorrow morning. So may take, I'll allow an hour to get out of the airport, and another hour to get to the apartment. And yeah, I told her at 11 o'clock she's going to be getting a present. So there'll be a knock on the door at 11 o'clock, but it'll probably be before 11. So anyway, come along for the ride. It should be very interesting, and we're going to have a pretty shocked girl, I think, at the other end. So yeah, Far King Gorn, let's go. Good.
So subscribe and like, it will be a blast. It's Far King Gorn, just don't say it fast.
Okay, here we go. I hope I'm believable. All good? Okay. I'll go and get changed. We'll get going. Okay, we'll get Far King going. Okay. Talk to you later. Bye. Right, Daniel's dropped me off at the station. I'm at Cranbourne Station. 6:31. And away we go. I've got my laptop bag, I've got my carry-on, which is 7.1 kilos, hopefully that's okay, and I've got my large suitcase there.
The next station is Marinda Park.
That's a bit different. I've got my large suitcase there, and that's about 27 kilos, so yeah, anyway. Let's get this show on the road. Let's get this Far King show on the road. I'll never lose that. Okay. Well, so far so good. 8 p.m. on the Sky Bus, ready to leave Southern Cross Station. Yeah, guys, I got to Tullamarine Airport around about 8:30. So yeah, 6:30 I left Cranbourne, 8:30 at the airport. So yeah, 2 hours from Cranbourne. So an hour into the city from Cranbourne, and yeah, walked down to the bus, and I think we left Southern Cross on the bus around about 8:30. Sorry, about 8 o'clock, and got in to here about 8:30. So yeah, I've put my bag through everything, and I've passed customs, and I've got my boarding pass. So just sitting here waiting for the flight. So next time I speak to you, I'll be in Changi Airport, Singapore. So anyway, the trip continues, all good, and I'm fucking gone. Cheers. Hi everyone, I'm back in Phnom Penh. It's about 20 past 9, and it'll take about an hour to get home. So anyway, stay tuned. We'll see how we go. Okay, nearly there. I'll have to wait because I'm not going to be able to record while I'm carrying all these bags. So yeah, we might have to wait till I'm upstairs ready to go. So just coming up to my favourite roundabout. So, alright, back soon. Present for Linda.
Hmm? You crazy?
Hello, honey. Can I come in?
Why you come?
Thank you, brother. Oi. I miss you so much. Thank you, honey. Yeah. Okay, Britta? Have not? Oh no, it's okay. Here.
Sit down.
Good surprise?
Take it off.
Okay.
Come on.
Yeah. Hands up. They've never been open.
This one.
Hey. Brand new.
What is that?
S24.
Samsung? Or?
Samsung. Yeah. Never been started before, so anyway, I'll go get bags, okay? Downstairs.
You found it?
Yeah, it's okay. Thank you, honey. Okay.